let's talk about IT and the optimism that we're seeing in today's trade. The Nifty IT index is up more than 1%. Now, CLSA has come out with their note. These are all preview notes coming out ahead of the numbers. They say improved macro outlook for IT going into 2025. They expect Infosys to raise the lower end of their guidance band. The current guidance for FY25 stands at 3.75 to 4.5%, and they're saying that the company will raise it to 4.25 to 4.75. So a little bit of a guidance upgrade. For HCL Tech too, they expect the company to raise the guidance from 3.5 to 5 to 4 to 5%. So the lower end for HCL Tech too gets upped, and for Infi too, there is a raise at the lower end and a little bit at the upper end. They say the recent sharp rupee depreciation versus the US dollar acts as an incremental tailwind for earnings. And therefore, for the companies under their coverage, the FY25 to FY27 EPS estimates push higher by nearly 3%. Now, on Wipro, though, CLSA has downgraded the stock. It was earlier an outperform. They now have a hold rating, and they're saying it's on account of the recent stock outperformance. Their target price stands at 303 rupee. They're saying the company will remain a laggard. In Q3, the company is likely to report flat revenue growth. Last year, when CLSA had upgraded Wipro, it was a double upgrade in the middle of the year. They say that despite the company seeing an earnings downgrade of 1%, the PE got re-rated from 19.7 to 24.4%, and the stock gave a return of 30%. But from here on, if Wipro has to re-rate, because re-rating has already taken place, the PE valuation multiple, despite no earnings pickup, earnings will now need to pick up. The company will have to catch up with its peers in terms of the growth rate. That said, while CLSA has downgraded Wipro to a hold, Nomura says that Wipro is one of their top picks in the large cap space, which is why Wipro as a stock is not falling today. So for Nomura, the large cap top picks are Infi and Wipro. In the mid cap space, they like Coforge. In small caps, they like eClerx. And they have also upgraded L&T Technology Services to a neutral from a reduce on the valuation.
Thank you so much, for putting out that particular data. Wipro, mixed views from both CLSA as well as Nomura.